your seatmate na lang. Ang ato may discuss na kung asa yung sakit, which would hurt if ito mo. Kaskas ka ping-pong ball or slowly moving na bowling ball?
Kaskas ka ping-pong ball.
Okay, ano kaskas? Our activity is think, peer, share. So, think and share with your seatmate and share your knowledge about this activity. I'll give you a minute to discuss. And later on, guys, magpatawa ko graduate student to answer the question. Okay, kung wala yung partner pa, grade 1 na lang, okay? Asama kayo masakit, ang pass ping-pong ball or ang slowly moving na bowling ball? the two collisions do you think would cause more damage sa makaha? For picture A. And for picture B. Which of the two do you think is more difficult to stop? The red car ba, which is moving 14 meters per second, or the blue car, which is moving with 20 meters per second? Okay, 1 minute. The first picture na yung makatap, which is moving with the same velocity as 20 meters per second. So, asa ka mas mag-cause of damage? Ang truck ba or ang kaning car? Dump truck or ang car? And for picture to, isa kayo mas isutungan. Ang mimobo 40 meters per second or ang mimobo 20 meters per second? Is it the red car or the blue car? Yes, okay. Finalize your answers. Okay, done. Okay, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Everyone sit down. Oh, ang gato mga chosen na detectives, yung mga representatives, go here in front. Room 1, 2, and 3. Okay, class, go. Sige na, sige na. Ready for the time. The first question, 1 of 2, is for picture A, and the second question is for picture B. Okay, start. Yeah, sige, sige, sige. How about group 3 and group 4? Final na? How about group 3? Asa naman? Okay, thank you, detectives. No? So, again, our activity again is entitled Momentum Detectives at Work. So, for the first question in picture A, which of the two collisions do you think would cause more damage makaha? Ang dump truck or ang red car? Dump truck! Ano dump truck man? Okay, so dump truck no, kay mas dako siya o? Very good, mas dako siya o mas compared di truck, di car, I mean. So, ang factor na yung na-consider is mass. It's because ang dump truck is bigger compared to car. So, kung bigger siya, kung saan na yung impact towards the wall man? Asa yung mas lakong damage? Ang dump truck or ang car? Dump truck! Okay, let's see. Okay, the correct answer is letter. Adili letter. The car dahil ang dump truck, mas lako siya impact compared to kaning red na car. What about for question number 2? Which do you think, which of the two cars is more difficult to stop? Ano red man? Okay, very good. So, the red car is mas difficult siya i-stop. For example, na-approaching na 40 meter per second na truck o 20 meter per second na truck. Asa mas difficult na i-stop? Okay. Kaya mo po man, 40? Di ka mo madutan mo maniksan mo 20 meter per second po? Madutan po. Pero actually, 40 meter per second is way more, mas grabe siya o impact towards the collision. Okay? Again, in both picture A and picture B, B, in picture A, ang mas more of damage kay C, dump truck. But in picture B, ang mas isang po nga is because also may ang velocity kay C, in zaman. The red car, which is moving with 40 meters per second compared to the blue car, which is moving 20 meters per second. So now, question class. Ano mo ka ang mga dampong na truck, before sila mo abot sa stoplight is mo brake sila daan. For example, stoplight na diya. Tapos siya dali nga part class is mag-brake na siya daan. Ano mo ka? Sino ka answer? Okay, raise your hand. For participation, I will record this. Okay? Okay? Decide. How about you? Okay. Ano mo ka na dump truck, mo-brake sila daan before maabot sa stoplight?
Concern sa sir, concern, hindi mo na siya i-digit sir, paggamit sa brake sir. So, kailangan stop na siya. Kailangan sa nimo yan, stop na.
Okay, very good. So, that's a good observation, no? Before ka mo go into a stoplight, if you know that your car or truck is bigger than or massive, dapat mo-brake ka. Okay, one of the reasons with that sakto sa car because it's lisod man jud to brake no within that certain distance. One of the reason would class is because dako man kay siya, maglisod siya og brake dayon. For example, na sa stoplight, mo brake din siya. What do you think would cause makaha? Malakas pa siya or mas tiyan pa siya? It's because of the man. It's because of the mass of that truck class. So that's why in sa mga traffic class mo, paano kita ang mga traffic rules, no? So, dili po ta magpalabig pas-pas like this, 40 meters per second moving a red car, it's because sa may tabo, kung pas-pas tayo, mabangga or ma-aksidente. So, if mabangga or ma-aksidente, there is more collision, and also there is more impact towards that collision. Understand grade 9?
Yes!
So now, discuss about collision or impact. So, what do we mean by momentum in the class? Kung kan define momentum in simple words lang. So, yun ang nasabtan with all the activities kanina. If mas dapo si truck, mas dapo siya o unsa. If mas si car, mas dapo siya unsa. Unsa na siya? How would you define momentum in the class in simple words? Sige, apa to? Sige, ikaw. How will you define momentum in simple words? Simple words na, siguro na saktan. Don't you worry, hindi na ito ikaw. Judge. Siguro na saktan yung momentum, ang saktan siya. Okay, ikaw na friend? Okay, Daphne. Sige, di ba siya? How will you define momentum daw for your own words or sa search, okay? Okay, very good. So, according to Nino nga, the more the massive ang object, the more na momentum na madaan ang object. Ano man, if dapo si object, dapo siya og impact or nag-gain siya og momentum towards that pressure. How about others? How about others? So, naiman sila na nga, the more massive ang object, the more sad siya nga maka-gain og momentum, di ba? No. Maka-gain og momentum. So, how about others, class? Okay, big? Again? Momentum is how far. Okay, very good, no? According to Dave, momentum is how cars, which is needed to stop, no? Before moving. Okay, so I get your point. So actually, class, all of your answers are correct. But additionally lang, in physics, momentum refers the quantity of motion that an object has, which is defined as mass in motion. Let's take for example, ang kanina chok, ano siya yung mass or wala? Ano siya yung mass. So kung ako na siyang ilabay, na siya yung sa? Na siya yung velocity. Therefore, if na velocity ng object na ay motion, na ay movement. So, ang kanina chok, if ako ilabay, isa na yung mag-game. Okay? Ano man? momentum dari class kay dependent siya in both mass and velocity. What do you mean by mass man di ay? If mo nag-mass, muna siya kanang, for example, kaninga bag. Sa mga kaninga bag. Kaninga bag. Nari siya mass? Yes! Sige, yan mo tayo. Same na feel. Bugat. Ang kanang bugat class, muna siya mass. Muna siya stuff sa something na na-address. But ano siya i-measured kay bugat na siya. So what do you think is the unit of mass? Kilogram, syempre. Kasi magkakit kang bugas niya. Hindi ko measured ko. Meter city. So pagkita ang bugas niya. Kunyara mamapasa ko kanang pan roller nga tayo. Ganyan sa ako. Ito siya nga na. But mass is measured in what? Mass is measured in kilograms. But what about velocity? Sige natin, balik-balik kami. Meter per second or ang speed with a certain distance or direction. Kaya sa mo siya nga quantity. Is it scalar or vector? Very good. Vector quantity. Kaya nasa yung magnitude of direction. Very good. So for example class, question. What if ang object imong ibutang diri sa ko, for example na bag, ibutang mo diri sa table. Would it gain momentum or not? Okay, no, ano man siya momentum? Okay, very good. Di siya maka-gain ng momentum. It's because wala siya na-gain na movement. Wala siya velocity. So, if we define momentum mathematically class, it's equals to P is equals to unsa? And V. For example class, ang kanina siya is, for example, kanina siya, ayang mass is 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram. Ayang velocity, unsa mga? It is at rest. What is its velocity? 0. 0 what the net? So 1 times 0, ilan man? 0. Therefore, wala siya wala siya momentum. Every object that is not in motion kaya dili maka-gain of momentum. But momentum is defined again by mass in motion. Therefore, any object which is in motion and also which has mass kaya maka-gain of sa momentum. So, momentum is given with the formula P is equals to mv, where P is the momentum, which is unit is kilogram meter per second, and m for mass, which is measured in kilogram, and velocity is v, which is measured in meter per second. Very good. So now let's have the question. What is the relationship between the mass, velocity of the momentum? Aray na sa likod. Sige ikaw. Sa'yo mo na nabantayan. What is the relationship between the momentum, mass, and the velocity? Okay, mga friend. Okay, Dave. Okay, very good. Very good, Dave. No? So, momentum is directly proportional to the mass and to the velocity of an object. Kung mo increase si mass, maunsa man si momentum? Again, class, kung mo increase si mass, maunsa man si momentum? Okay, mo increase. Just like sa activity kaniha, no, ang crack, massive man siya, so maka-gain siya o unsa? If massive ang object, maka-gain siya kung sa momentum. Since directly proportional naman siya, again, if ang object is massive, ang iyang momentum kay dako. Very good. So, the more massive the object is, the more sad siya maka-gain of momentum. Is because of sa proportionality? Directly proportional. What about ang fast-moving ping-pong ball? If fast-fast ka siya, ang sayang mag-gain ng momentum. Kasi yung mag-gain ng momentum. For example, if fast-fast kayo ang velocity sa fast-moving ping-pong ball, kung saan niya mag-gain ng momentum? Since di ko mo directly proportional. Okay, very good now. Mas maka-gain siya o fast or mas greater na momentum. Because if we increase the momentum, if we increase in velocity na sa fast moving a ping pong ball, unsa sa momentum? Increase. That's why masakit po na siya class. If naigo mo sa fast ping pong ball, sakto na yung answer ganiya. But actually, ang katong slowly moving na saan na siya? Bowling ball is makagain sa siya o momentum class. It's because unsa man, unsa na massive siya or dili? Massive. So actually in reality class, ipaligidan mo bowling ball, masakitan din mo class. Dabo na ginabay ko ninyo. Pabukol ni Manas. So again, the more massive the object, the more nga unsa ang momentum na yung madawat. Dako. The more fast the object, the more unsa yung momentum increase. If both the momentum if both the mass and velocity will increase, unsa man si momentum? Will increase. So very good. So now, ano na sa exciting part class? So, okay, please read. Again, 1, 2, 3, start.
In solving problem in momentum, always remember this. If you are looking for momentum, the equation to use is P equals mv. If you know mass and velocity. If you are looking for mass, the equation to use is m equals P over v. If you know momentum and velocity. If you are looking for velocity, the equation to use is v equals v over m. If you know momentum and mass.
Okay, isa pa kayo maka-differentiate between those equation mga class. Isa pa ka. So, class, para mas dali na ng klase, na siya. Remember your triangle. Kailan may ka-differentiate one angle. Para dali na yung mga remember class, ano na siya, V and V. If si momentum yung ipakita, sa man, mass times velocity. Is it correct? Mass times velocity. If si mass yung ipakita, momentum divide by velocity. But si V yung ipakita, momentum i-divide the mass. Okay? Sige nabi, what is the formula of momentum? If si momentum ipakita. Okay, very good. M over V. But what about si velocity yung ipakita? Kasi ka formula. V over M, very good. But what about velocity? Okay, very good. So, mamayo na eh. So, let's have this patinage problem. Try this problem daw, class. Again, in solving problem, please follow the GRS format, which is given, required solution, and also please include equation. Try that sa mga scratch paper. I'll give you 1 minute for that. Sa'yo na siya, class. Solve the problems. Pakitaan na yung sunod sa. Okay, very good. Pakitaan si given. Saan makang given? Pas-pasa. Atong given is mass is equals to unsa? Okay, done, class. Again, what is the given? Our given is mass is bilang mass.
22 meters.
But what about the velocity?
1.2 meter per second.
So, if given na si mass, if given pa si velocity, sa mga formula gamiton? Momentum, which is given by the formula P is equals to what? mv. So in a given equation or in a given problem, saan mo na ito ipunita again? Momentum. Okay, momentum. So, you get your answers now? Yes. Okay, what is the answer to this given problem?
26.4
Meter per? Kilogram, meter per kilogram meter per second ang answer?
Yes.
Ano ba? Isang din yung mag-solve. Okay, very good. We multiply si kilogram of si meter per second. So, P is equals to MV. I-substitute lang si mass is equals to 22 kilogram. I-times it of 1.2 na velocity meter per second. Ang answer is 26.4 kilogram meter per second. Always remember that the unit of our momentum is kilogram meter per second. Then atong mass is kilogram. Then si velocity kay Denise, sa si velocity? Meter per second. Okay? The answer is 26.4 meter per second. So kani, try it out. Try this. What is the momentum of a child and a wagon if the total mass of a child and wagon is 31 kilograms and the velocity is 1.5 meter per second? Are you familiar with wagon? Kanagay cart?
Yes.
If na si bata niya si cart, nasa na yung mass na 31 kilogram and it's moving with 1.5 meter per second. Pila mo kayo momentum na naaanak na situation. Okay, pilang kaha? Done? Okay, what is the answer?
46.5 kilogram meter per second.
Okay, let's check. Okay, very good. 46.5 kilogram meter per second. So, sige mo lang momentum plus. Let's try. Ang nakakita is the velocity. Sige, try this. A bowling ball of 35.2 kilogram generates a momentum of 218 kilogram meter per second. What is the velocity of that bowling ball? Again, look at the triangle. Isa na ito ipakita. The velocity. So what is the formula? Na. Again, in solving your problems, mag-round up all is final answer para ma-avoid ang mga inaccuracies sa problem solving. Okay, done? Okay, what is the answer mga ka?
6.19.
So again, what is a given? What is a given? What is its mass? 35.2 kilogram. But what about its momentum?
218 kilogram meter per second.
So what's may equation na gamiton?
Divide.
I-divide siya sa? Okay, momentum of si kilogram. Sa ito makita niya sa kwan sa board of P of MV. So itabunan na to si V. Ang mabilin is si P, i-divide mo of mass. So what is the answer?
6.19 meter per second.
Okay, sige, get 1/4 or 1/2 lang. 1/2 crosswise. Try this. Again, follow the GRS format which we have given, required, equation, and solution. I'll give you 2 minutes for that. Now the answer and the copy. One half crosswise. One half. One half crosswise. What is the momentum of a car, I mean a 25 kilogram car, traveling at 1.7 meter per second? Sa'yo na kayo na siya. Again, follow the GRS format which we have given, required, solution, and please include the equation. Don't forget to write your names, okay? This will serve as your attendance for today and additional points. Sayodra? Sayodra eh. Triangle ra gana, A, M of B. After na itong mga last na itong mga calculation is for Then, please include your names as well as the section. Kaya wala ka akong familiar yung anak na 50 ka po. And for those person who participated kaniha, please butang sa inyong paper na ni participate mo, kapila mo ni participate. Done? Okay, last 1 minute. Last 1 minute, pinapatay quiz. 5 items. Done? If you're done, pass your papers in front. Please always remember in passing your papers, pass it in front, and from sitters, pass it in the middle aisle. Okay, done. What is the answer, Ma'am Hana?
42.5.
Okay, very good. It's 42.5. Now, another question. Let's connect. Yan po ganyan mga makurang participate sa connection in momentum in daily activities, especially in community experiences like sports and traffic on-road safety scenarios. So, question. Sa sports, why does a strong volleyball spike make it harder to receive the ball? Ano mo ka, ang gusto kayo na spike ka bula, isod ba siya i-receive? Okay. Another. Ikaw. Yes. So, kung pas-pas siya, okay, very good. So, your answer na is, isod stop si pas-pas na bula. Okay, because if pas-pas yung kuan, pas-pas object, so meaning dako siya og velocity. If dako og velocity sa object, unsa man yung momentum? Pas-pas or dako. That's why it is harder to stop, just like the car kanina nga pas-pas ka siya compared ni blue car, which is more difficult to stop. Si unsa man? Si car nga pas-pas. Again, if pas-pas si object, lisod siya mo i-stop. And also, if dako si object, lisod mo siya i-stop. It's because dako sila momentum. It's difficult for them to, it's to stop when it comes to collision. So another question, why do cars slow down in school zone? Okay, ikaw? Wala ka answer niya. Okay, very good. It's because in order to avoid accidents, ganuman. If pas-pas na kayo ka-again, pas-pas ka momentum, which is difficult to stop. That's why you slow down dito sa school zone. So if di kang slow down, malista mo diya, for example lang, dira, wala pa mo. Pero may na lang, nasa kayo. So ano siya class? Very good, kaya na may application sa momentum. Now, assessment na ta. So there is a 5 multiple choice yung sa sample problem. Please prepare lang 1/2 crosswise. Sa front by letters only, for multiple choice test. And your test is, ano siya, problem solving, which is 1 item gihapon. object is calculated by what? The momentum of an object is calculated by what? Okay, kita rin yung stick code kanina nag-sniper. Ayun na kayo na siya, nalikwan na stubama, no? Letter only for multiple choice test. Done? Next question. Which object has the greatest momentum? Asa makaano diyan nga choices? Aga na ang kinalasan kay letter D na siya, class. I'm sorry for the typo. Done? Which object has the greatest momentum? If ang object gani greatest yung momentum, meaning unsa yung mass? What about its velocity? Unsa yung proportionality? Done? Again, letter A, B, C, na letter D na kinalasan. Tayo ko na yung class. Sorry. For question number 3, a 2-kilogram ball is rolling with a velocity of 4 meters per second. What is its momentum? Sa'yo na kayo na. Gamay na kayo siyang value. We have 2 and we have 4. You just identify its momentum. Again, a 2-kilogram ball is rolling with a velocity of 4 meters per second. What is its momentum? Focus on your papers, class. Ayun na kayo na siya. Again, nag-remember ako sa mga nandog, ha? Done? Next question, number 4. 2 cars of equal mass are moving at different velocities. Which car has the greater momentum? If pareha sila nga nag-move o velocity, for example, they're moving 5 meters per second both, kinsa ka nga car ang mas greatest ang momentum? Based on the choices there in question number 4. Done? Is it letter A? Is it letter B? C or D? Question number 5. If an object experiences no motion, what happens to its momentum? If an object experiences no momentum, what happens to its momentum? I mean, no motion. Sorry. If an object experiences no motion, ano sa momentum niya? A car with a mass of 1,320 kilograms is heading north and generates 332 kilogram-meter per second units of momentum. What is the velocity of the car? Again, follow the GRS format, given required equation and solution. Additional 2 minutes. A car with a mass of 1,320 kilograms. A mass. Carrying the north and generates 332 kilograms meters per second. At momentum. Kung saan yung nakikita? Done? Okay, ready, exchange? So, paano na plus? If mabasag is equal to test, then kami na tayo. For example, the answer is 015. Your final answer would be example. Okay, done. Exchange your papers. Ready? Ready na, ako na tayo. Okay, last 30 seconds. 25. 20. 15. 10 seconds. Ready?
10, 9,
Ready? Exchange your papers. 1. Ready na. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right corrected 5.
Pearl.
Okay, for question number 1. What is the answer? The momentum of an object is calculated by what? What is the answer for question number 1? Letter B is multiplied by mass by velocity. Again, ano siya? P is equals to mv. Next question. Which object has the greatest momentum? What is the answer? Letter C. A sports car driving so fast on the highway. Mas grabe siya ang velocity, mas grabe siya ang momentum. What is the answer? Anong C man? Yan sa ninyo? Anong i-times man?
Formula.
Okay, very good. It's momentum na ipakita. Therefore, the equation is P is equals to mg. Substitute the value 2 times 4 is equals to 8 kilogram meter per second. Very good. Next question. Two cars with equal masses are moving different velocities. A? Ka, sure? Okay, very good. The more velocity, the more ang yaman sa. If the more sa velocity, the more ang sa. The more ang momentum. Very good. Last question for multiple choice test. If an object experiences no motion, what happens to its momentum? Okay, it's become to 0. Again, like for example, ganiha. If it shock 1 kilogram, i-times mo 0 man velocity kay it is at rest. Therefore, its momentum is 0. Okay? Next question. What is the answer? 0.25? Okay, that's right. Okay, the answer is 0.25 meter per second. Total score? Wala siya, if complete na siya klase, given required, 5 points for laban, 5 points format, niya 5 points for the correct answer. Then 5 points po the ato ang multiple choice test. With a total of nila, 18. Plus 5 will make it 20. Okay? Done?